What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we have two more special anniversary boxes. So in this one we got all the Saiyans. So we got Goku, Gohan, Goku, Raditz, Goku, Kid Goku, Goku, Kid Goku, Goku, Trunks, Gotenks, Vegeta, Gohan, Videl, not even a Saiyan. Vegeta, Goku, and Kai. And we have, oh, here we go. Super Saiyan 3 Goku from GT, Oob, Super Saiyan 4, and the Great Ape Goku Kid. Nice. Okay, so let's see. Sleeves are, ooh, Shinra. Okay. Then we got, in here, I want to give a shout out to Protomac. Thank you for, helping me out with these and getting them here by 1 o'clock. Always fast shipping with these guys. Got some links in the description. Alright, so let's do the special anniversary packs. I know what you're here for. Oh, starting off the bat, King Vegeta, Royal Pride, Foil, Say Less, Hachiak, okay, Restoration, Violent Rush Zangaya, and Gotenks, the Grim Reap of Justice. So we got one foil for the AOD stuff. So we got Android 13, we got Great Ape Bardock, we got Vegeta. Oh, Frost is crispy, and a 9-drop Hachiak. All right, let's get into the reprints. Here we go, baby. That's what we gonna get here. Let's get here. Alright, Primitive Strike, Ultra Instinct Son Goku, hell yeah. Super Combo, Say Less, Planet Vegeta, wow. Gold foil's dope. Alright, so we got Oob. I think we got a playset and some. Bojack, okay. Oh, time regular Vegeta. Yeah, he's going into my black deck. Hell yeah. Ooh, Krillin and Android 18. Nice. Crispy. Okay. Primitive Strike again. Oh, Champa. Yes, Champa Beerus Arrival. She definitely. I'm putting that into my. Oh, we got the new mirror. Okay. And comrades. What's up? Give me one more Topo or Broly, bro. Come on. Oh, Majin Buu, the first one. This is the first Majin Buu. Oh, we got playset mirror, Planet Vegeta, and Familiar Bonds. Okay, it's not bad. Oh man, baby. All right, guys, this is the last box. This is the AOD box. Agents of Destruction, Hachiak, Lord Slug, Broly, Vegeta, Janemba, Turtles, Garlic Jr., Bojack, Android 13, Bibbidi, Majin, and Majin. Hold on, what's this one? This one is different than this? No, same thing. And then what we got inside? Majin Buu. Hell yeah. For the sleeves here, we got the Ribian and all for love. Okay, we got the packs, and we got that. Alright guys, so we got anniversary pack. Okay, what we got here? Ooh, Super Android 17. Let's get it. Got the Frieza. Got a Broly. Bojack, what's up? And allied reinforcements, okay. Alright. Combo attack Janemba. That foil looks crazy. You see that? We'll get up close and personal. Oh, we got the foiled Vegeta, Resolute Agent of Destruction. Say less. Okay, Janemba. Oh, we got a foil Planet Vegeta. Final moments. Say the word. And we got Garlic Jr. counterattack. Hell yeah, foil. I'm blessed right now. Ooh, real hype. Krillin and Android 18. Okay, familiar bonds. Oh, we got the Broly Crown Repost. Oh, we got the foil Boo. Say less. Oh shit, I'm hyped. So hyped right now. Okay, Son Gohan. Topo, yes, I got place at my Topos without even actually like spending a buttload of money. We got another Hercule Majin Buu. Ooh, elegant Heelys. That's it. Oh yeah. Oh man. What else we got here? Multi Skill of Sage. Oh, Warcry Bardock. Say less. Let's go. Awakening Pan. And the Vegeta, King Vegeta and Vegeta. Alright. Another King Vegeta. Back to back. Look at that. Back to back. Mira, another one. Son Goku. Oh, Chopper appearance foil. Say less. Yo, did I pull the foil one of the other one? I can't remember. I'm too hyped. Oh man, I gotta separate these. I got enough space for all these. Oh man, where's this Boo in here? Familiar bonds. Oh, this is not reprints. Here we go. Is that reprint? No. Familiar bonds. Planet Vegeta. Mira. Majin Buu, Mira, Primitive Strike, Krillin, got the Vegeta, Bojack, ooh, Planet Vegeta's right here, ooh, Heelys right there, another one, Janemba, okay. Oh man, I'm so hyped. Alright guys, that is the video. We unboxed a total of 4. We opened the whole case, or display case. 4 boxes, 2 videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you're gonna do with all these. What you're gonna do with these, you know, what you building, what you got. I'm definitely building my my cooler deck. My cooler needs love. And we have the potential for a lot of mill stuff, and I'm ready for it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.